Indian students are one of the brightest minds in the world. They aren't short of talent, they lack opportunities to build, to innovate, to lead. What if your school could be the one to change it?
This isn't just an idea. The methodology has already been validated from government initiatives like PM Shri Yojana, global educators like Anshuman Singh, Abhimanyu Saxena, and hundreds of principals across India. They've seen what happens when classroom moves beyond rote learning and starts producing innovators.
We are already providing these opportunities to India's finest institution, from Birlas to Vidyashram, backed by Asia's largest education trust. And now, your students can experience the same world-class exposure.
But here's the truth, these workshops are exclusive, carefully curated for the schools who truly want to stand apart. Schools that want parents to see them not just as exam centers, but centers of innovation. The kind of schools that shape future leaders.
And that's why we are here. Not to replace what you do, but to elevate it. To give students confidence, creativity, and problem-solving skills that no textbook can.
So what does this transformation look inside your school? Let's walk you through the BRICS 3-day innovation workshop.
We don't just walk in with theory. We bring an entire experience with us. Laptops and kits for every team. Printed material and certificates for every student. And a hand-picked team of instructors. Perfectly balanced for your batch size. Our mentors are among the top 350 innovators in India, bringing unmatched expertise straight into your classroom.
Some of instructors teach and the rest observe. If a child looks lost, we are there instantly so that no one is left behind. By the end of day 1, students not just see us as teachers, but as bhaiyas, guiding them through something truly exciting.
Day 1 is showing students that technology isn't distant. It's fun and within their reach. Teams are formed, icebreakers spark energy, and suddenly the room is alive.
We introduce sensors and Arduino in the simplest way possible. No jargon, just analogies and stories so that every student instantly gets it.
Hands get busy and students build their first robotic car, coding them to move on track. Then the fun begins. Races, competitions, and bonus point quizzes. Every student stay hooked. Every moment is a reward-based learning.
पार्ट तो सारे ही अच्छे थे, लेकिन जब वो खुद से रोबोट बनाया और वो किया था बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग। जब कार चलाई खुद से बना के उसने बहुत ज्यादा मजा आया।
Day 2 shifts from learning to solving, where we provide students with real-world problem statements to choose from, guided by mentors for every single team.
Through immersive games, they don't just learn, they feel the problem. And when they finally build the solution, the learning is unforgettable.
Each and every student was involved in the workshop. Even the students to whom we call they are weak, even their involvement was there. And the students were really very happy.
Day 3 is a celebration. Students refine their projects, build confidence, and prepares to present.
The exhibition brings parents, students, and teachers together. Every team set up their spaces, showcase their solution, and shine with confidence.
हमारा प्रोजेक्ट था ऑटो नाइट लाइट, जिसके अंदर जैसे स्ट्रीट्स पे जो लाइट होती है वो दिन में भी जलती है, रात में भी जलती है, जिसके कारण काफी ज्यादा बिल आता है गवर्नमेंट के लिए। तो ना आए पैसे बचे, इसलिए हमने वो बनाया। उसमें जैसी कोई मोशन नहीं होगा या जब तक उसको लाइट मिलती रहेगी, उसमें एक सेंसर है LDR सेंसर, उसको जब तक सूरज की रोशनी मिलेगी तब तक वो लाइट नहीं जलेगी और जैसे ही अंधेरा होगा वैसे वो लाइट अपने आप जलेगी।
At BRICS, we don't copy-paste workshops. We study your student persona, your school curriculum, your school culture, and a lot of different points. And that's how we make a workshop for your specific fit. And that's why every workshop with BRICS is unique in itself, and every student shines with it.
मैंने यहाँ बच्चों को देखा और मुझे एक चीज समझ में आई कि इन बच्चों में कुछ ऐसे टैलेंट्स हैं जिनको हमें नर्चर करने की जरूरत है। एक बच्चे ने प्रोजेक्ट बनाया, वो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मेरे को। दैट वाज हाउ टू रिड्यूस कार एक्सीडेंट्स, व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आज के दिन लगभग सब लोग ड्राइव करते हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी कैन हेल्प यू इन ड्राइविंग। मैंने उन बच्चों से बात करी, बच्चे ने बहुत अच्छा आइडिया दिया कि उसको ट्रेन में लगा सकते हैं। और सबसे बड़ी बात, वो जो 6-7 लोग कर रहे थे, तो मुझे एक चीज समझ में आई कि उनकी टीम उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से, मतलब उनका टीम कोऑर्डिनेशन बहुत अच्छा था। उसके बाद में द वे एवरीबॉडी इज पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन इट, फ्यू ऑफ देम हैव दैट कॉम्पिटिटिव थिंग आल्सो। हम में से किसका आपको बेटर लगा? और कुछ लोग नए आइडियाज के साथ भी आ रहे, बच्चे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट। थैंकफुल टू यू गाइस, इट वाज अ वंडरफुल फीलिंग कमिंग हियर एंड looking young generation doing best out of their things out of this school now.
These workshops prove something powerful. Indian students doesn't need fixing. They need opportunities. Opportunities to innovate, to create, and to build.
And this is just the beginning. We are building towards India's first innovation-focused education board, a platform where creativity, problem solving, and real-world thinking defines success.
Schools that partner with BRICS aren't just adopting a workshop.
They are joining a movement shaping future of Indian education, and your school could be the next.
We are proud to partner with BRICS in bringing this new era of education to our school. It's not just a workshop, it's a glimpse into the future of learning.
किस तरह से टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू एजुकेशन दे रहे हैं ये बहुत ज़रूरी है इससे और एजुकेशन की इफेक्टिवनेस तो बढ़ती है साथ में लर्निंग प्रोसेस भी बच्चों का ठीक होता है मैन तो यही होना चाहिए बाकी रही बात आपकी ब्रिक्स टीम की तो आपका डेडिकेशन अच्छा था आपकी सोच भी ठीक है आपका एक प्रोजेक्ट भी अच्छा है मेरे हिसाब से बहुत अच्छे से काम किया है
Every student you see here walked in unsure. Now they're presenting innovations to their parents with pride. That transformation, that's what BRICS does. We don't just teach technology, we build confidence, creativity, and problem solving mindsets. The kind that lasts a lifetime. Every student deserves this opportunity, and we are ready to bring it to your school.